Around 530 million years ago, a wide variety of animals burst onto the evolutionary scene in an event known as Cambrian Explosion. In perhaps as few as 10 million years, marine animals evolved most of the basic body forms that we observe in modern groups. Among the organisms preserved in fossils from the time are relatives to crustaceans and starfish and etc.
Cambrian explosion, there's a period called the Precambrian. The living things are formed by simple organisms and they are mostly individual cells or organized in colonies. So you can see there's a fossil and yeah, simple cells are organized in colonies. And then there's the explosion. It happened 1 billion years ago and most of the major animals first appeared on fossil record. That means like they came from nowhere and no one knows what's their common ancestor. And in a short time, diversity of the form appeared, and no common ancestor found. That's what I said. And here's a chart, simple chart for the explosion.
Evidence. Scientists found fossilized cardiovascular system of the arthropod. It is well preserved and surprisingly sophisticated. It is mineralized in stone. It is found in China. Fossil deposits have previously yielded the digestive system as well as the brain. About 50 were trapped by an ancient storm under many layers of lime, dust-like particles, now known as mudstone. Parts of the gut are visible as dark stains along animal mudline. A tube-like heart extended along the main part of the body. Scientists assumed that this was a very active animal and capable of making many different behavioral choices according to the nerves around the brain.
So we'll continue with the evidence. As you can see here, we have an arthropod, and it's a 520 million year old cardiovascular system. The red line here represents cardiovascular system, and the blue line here represents nervous system, and the green line represents its guts. Now here we have a fossil found in China, and as you can see here, there's a small, not really clear brown part of the arthropod. It represents the guts, and here, like red line, it represents the cardiovascular system, and the gray part over here, it represents the nervous system. And here's another fossil we found in China.